तो देखिपे टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया रे न्यूज़ रही जन 26 टीचर्स सिक इमीडिएट रिलीज ऑफ सीनियरिटी लिस्ट टीटी बेस्ट प्रमोशन तो निश्चित भाव ये गोटे बड़ खबर आसी पहुँचुची टीचर्स हैव डिमांडेड तो इमीडिएट पब्लिकेशन ऑफ द सीनियरिटी लिस्ट एज ऑफ अप्रैल 1 2026 they also sought the mandatory inclusion of columns indicating whether a teacher has qualified the teacher eligibility test paper 1 paper 2 along with the year of qualification जहाँ देखु ये से डिमांड कर शीघ्र रिलीज करने सीनियरिटी लिस्ट एवं गोटे कलम रखापी कहुई जो TT1 TT2 पास कर अलॉन्ग विथ ईयर ऑफ क्वालिफिकेशन वर्ष टीटी मगा कह डिमांड कर इन दिस रिगार्ड मेंबर्स ऑफ टीटी उत्तरीण शिक्षक संघ मंच सबमिटेड ए मेमोरेंडम टू द जॉइंट डायरेक्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन दुर्ग on June 24 seeking compliance with a Supreme Court ruling on teacher promotion. सुप्रीम कोर्ट रूलिंग रो टीचर प्रमोशन पर ये घटना सामना को आसी दुर्ग टीचर संघ यह सबमिट कर मेमोरेंडम हाइलाइटेड दैट द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इन इट्स जजमेंट ऑन September 1 2025 ruled that passing the TT is mandatory for continuing in service and for obtaining in promotion. The delegation urged the Joint Director to ensure that the state government follows the apex court guidelines and completes the promotion process within the stipulated time frame. कहुई कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट को बाध्यतामूलक कर खूब शीघ्र प्रमोशन सारा जाओ. The memorandum cited observation made by Supreme Court Judge Justice Dipankar Datta, who emphasized that there can be no compromise on the quality education. Education experts also suggest that the court ruling makes TT mandatory for all teachers promotion. Several teachers from Durg division were present during the submission of the memorandum. Memorandum submission समय बहुत गुड़िए लोक टीचर उपस्थित थे. मंच सेक्रेटरी जितेंद्र दाहार told the Times of India that possibility of the state government has misinterpreted Supreme Court order on teacher eligibility test and has halted promotion until 2008. तांकर सेक्रेटरी कहते जे मिस इंटरप्रिट करेंगे सरकार बोली आम आशा करुचु एवं प्रमोशन को 2028 पर्यंत हल्ट करें बोली आम आशा करुचु. सुप्रीम कोर्ट जेहेतु देते 2028 अगस्त 31 पर्यंत मोहलत तो ये दाबी रही शीघ्र प्रमोशन लिस्ट रिलीज करने. Supreme Court ordered that TT is mandatory for consideration of promotion, but the judgment does not direct government to suspend promotion of teachers who already possess TT qualification. Teachers aspiring for promotion must qualify TT, otherwise they have no right to be considered for promotion, he said. Supreme Court कहते जे TT qualified teacher को promotion दापाई कि suspend करने कह जाए ना जे मैंने TT qualify करिसेंती. There are around 20,000 TT qualified teachers in the state out of a total teaching workforce of 1.8 lakhs. Every year about 4,000 to 5,000 teachers receive promotion, but no promotion have taken place for the last 2.5 years, she said. कहते जे जेहेतु प्रत्येक वर्ष 4 ରୁ 5,000 प्रमोशन पाई थांती एवं यह को गोटे मिस इंटरप्रिटेशन करने चेष्टा कर 2028 पर्यंत अटकई चेष्टा कर प्रमोशन को. Added that the joint directorate of the state's 5 divisions issue list of teachers eligible for promotion. We want transparency in this list by clearly mentioning whether the teachers are TT qualified, he said. रिलीज होती सीनियरिटी लिस्ट किंतु से TT क्वालिफाई किए क्वालिफाई नुहे से बाबद कौन तथ्य नहीं तेणु दाबी कर. He further pointed out that CTT is conducted twice a year, providing more opportunity to teaching aspirants, whereas the state government conducts the TT only once every 2 years. We demand that the state government follow the CTT patterns. We have learned that the state government follow the CTT pattern. We have learned that the government is considering conducting a departmental TT. बर्तमान सुनवा को मिली गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंटल TT करने जाऊँगी, which is not acceptable to teachers, जोटा कि टीचर मानक acceptable नुहे कारण TT should be conducted in accordance with NCT norm. जेहेतु TT NCT norm अनुसार हबार अच्छी. Meanwhile, a section of teachers in Chhattisgarh has expressed concern over the mandatory requirement of TT for promotion, describing it as unfair. Those appointed before TT became a compulsory qualification. Chhattisgarh's Asalaya Shiksha Sangh representative urged that many teachers recruited when TT was not part of the eligibility criteria and therefore should not be imposed retrospectively as a condition for career advancement. Sangh State President Virendra Dubey urged that the state government to file a review petition before the Supreme Court seeking reconsideration of the ruling. ଯେତେବେଳେ ନନ୍ ଟିଟି ଟିଚର ଦାବି କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଥରେ ରିଭ୍ୟୁ ଫାଇଲ୍ କରାଯାଉ, ରିଭ୍ୟୁ ଥରେ ଫାଇଲ୍ ହୋଇ ମଧ୍ୟ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହୋଇସାରିଛି, ବୋଧେ ସେମାନେ ବାବଦରେ ଅଜ୍ଞ ଥିବେ, ଟିଟି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଛାଡ଼ ହେଉ। ଏଠି ଦୁଇଟି କଥା ରହିଛି, ଟିଟି ମ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡାଟୋରିନେସ୍ ଏବଂ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଟିଟିକୁ ବିରୋଧ ରହୁଛି ଏବଂ ଏପଟେ ଟିଟିକୁ ଛାଡ଼ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦାବି ରହିଛି। Chhattisgarh Deputy Director N. Vandra said the Supreme Court has categorically held that TT is mandatory for both recruitment and promotion. Responding to allegations that promotion have remained stalled for the past 2.5 years, he said department would examine the issue, addressing TT qualified teachers' demand for transparency. Bandara said that if they believe non-TT qualified teachers are being promoted, they should submit evidence to support their claim. He also clarified that the state government has not issued any order suspending promotion. ଏବଂ ଏହି ସମୟରେ ସରକାରଙ୍କ ତରଫରୁ ପ୍ରତିକ୍ରିୟା ମିଳିସାରିଛି। ସରକାର ମଧ୍ୟ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟଙ୍କର ଅର୍ଡ଼ରକୁ ମାନିବୁ ଏବଂ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସପାରେନ୍ସି ଆଣିବୁ। ଯଦି ସେମିତି କୌଣସି ନନ୍ ଟିଟି ଟିଚର ପ୍ରମୋସନ୍ ପାଇଥାନ୍ତି ତେବେ ତାଙ୍କ ନଜରକୁ ଅଣାଯାଉ। ଏବଂ ଏ କଥା ମଧ୍ୟ କୁହାଯାଇଛି ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମିତି କୌଣସି ଘଟଣାକୁ ସରକାର ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱର ଭାବେ ନିଅନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ କି ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱର ଭାବେ ନିଏ ନାହିଁ, ବରଂ ଇଲିଗାଲ ପ୍ରମୋସନ୍କୁ उत्साहित କରାଯାଏ। ଦେଖିବା ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଅପଡେଟ୍। Supreme Court established seniority determination based on appointment date over qualification acquisition in private school service. स्कूल क्षेत्र में किपरि सीनियरिटी काउंट हेब एस्टाब्लिश होईछि। द केस ऑफ विमान बामन वाले वर्सेस गंगाधर माखरिया चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट एंड अदर्स addresses the critical issues of seniority determination among teachers in private educational institution. प्राइवेट एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन ने इश्यू को से एस्टाब्लिश करिसेंती। अपीलेंट विमान वामन वावले एंड असिस्टेंट टीचर एट सेट गंगाधर मखरिया हाई स्कूल to his appointment as a headmaster over her. The crux of the dispute revolved around whether seniority should be based on the date of initial appointment or the date of acquisition higher qualification. हायर क्वालिफिकेशन को एक्वायर अनुसार प्रमोशन बा सीनियरिटी दिज्व ना डेट ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट अनुसार दिज्व। समरी आसीला जजमेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया प्रिजाइडेड ओवर बाय जस्टिस डॉक्टर ए.के. सिकरी ग्रांटेड द अपीलेंट्स रिक्वेस्ट बाय ओवरटर्निंग द डिसीजन ऑफ द स्कूल ट्रिब्यूनल एंड बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट। दुईटी कोर्टर निर्देश सत्वे सुप्रीम कोर्ट आनी द कोर्ट हेल्ड दैट सीनियरिटी शुड बी डिटरमाइंड बेस्ड ऑन द डेट ऑफ इनिशियल अपॉइंटमेंट एज assistant teacher provided the individual met the requisite qualification at the time of appointment. Consequently, the applicant who joined the school earlier and was already qualified was deemed senior to respondent 4, whose seniority was based on the later acquisition of a B.Ed degree. जेतु एठी जे ऑलरेडी क्वालिफाई है कि जॉइन करितला तार सीनियरिटी पछरे क्वालिफिकेशन हासिल करथिबा B.Ed डिग्री हासिल करथिबा ठारो सीनियरिटी को अधिका दिया जायतला। अर्थात जड़े विदाउट B.Ed रे पोस्टिंग पाइथिबा टीचर एवं विथ B.Ed रे पोस्टिंग पाइथिबा टीचर मध्य सीनियर सी जे विथ B.Ed टीचर विथ B.Ed पोस्टिंग पाइछंती। द कोर्ट डायरेक्टेड द अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ द अपीलेंट एज हेडमास्टर emphasizing adherence to existing rule governing seniority and promotion. Judgment extensively referenced two pivotal cases. दुईटी केस को रेफरेंस निया बैजनाथ वर्सेस मराठवाड़ा शिक्षण जोटा कि 2006 आसाला। दिस फुल बेंच जजमेंट ऑफ द बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट हेल्ड दैट सीनियरिटी शुड बी डिटरमाइंड फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ एक्विजिशन ऑफ educational and training qualification. The school tribunal and the high court in the present case initially adopted this principle, जहाँ कि बर्तमान हाई कोर्ट मध्य सही प्रिंसिपल अडॉप्ट करिसेंती। was already qualified with D.Ed at the time of her appointment in 1979, making her senior based on the appointment that जेहेतु जन टीचर D.Ed अर्थात सीटी नहीं पोस्टिंग होता 1979 तांको सीनियर करा जायछि डेट ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट अनुसार। रेस्पोंडेंट फोर्स सीनियरिटी वाज इनकरेक्टली एलिवेटेड ड्यू टू द लेटर एक्विजिशन ऑफ ए B.Ed व्हिच शुड नॉट ओवरराइड द अर्लियर वैलिड अपॉइंटमेंट। By analyzing R.B. Desai case, the court understood that eligibility does not necessarily supersede seniority unless expressly mentioned in the rules. जदि रूल्स रे नथिबो ता सुपरसीड करि परिबनी। इन दिस केस रूल 12 did not favor the date of qualification acquisition over the date of appointment, thereby reaffirming the appellant's seniority. This landmark judgment clarifies the hierarchy of the factors determining seniority in a private educational institution by affirming that the date of appointment takes precedence over the date of qualification acquisition. Conclusion आसला सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसीजन जोटा आसीला ए केस रे सर्व्स एज pivotal legal precedent in the realm of education administration by prioritizing the date of initial appointment over the date of qualification acquisition for seniority determination. The court reinforced the principle of rewarding long-term service and maintaining transparent, fair practices in private school. This judgment not only rectifies the appellant's rightful claim but also sets a clear guideline for future dispute जहाँ सुप्रीम कोर्टर शेष सिद्धांत थिला। तो निश्चित भाव गोटे बड़ खबर रही देखिए परवर्ती अपडेट।